Here is our awesome hostess, Rosemary RockArt. Oh my gosh, she has such a wonderful channel. If you're not already following her, please go over and check out the content on her channel. She puts together a lot of great content and always something new and different. And of course, she loves music and she loves art and quite a few other things. This challenge goes up every week. They have a book they do use for their coloring, bold and easy, but you can color in any book you like if you don't want to follow in the same book. And another nice thing about them, you can put it up any Monday you would like. Time on Monday. You can join in once in a while or all the time. And they've got a new little twist going on now. They do a little bit, you don't have to do this because I haven't joined in on the creative thing, but it's called Color and Create with Us You Rock Art. Oh yeah. It's a wonderful, wonderful challenge, and let's go check out the co-hostess. And here is our co-hostess, KS Design. Oh yeah, she does a lot of great things on her channel too. So you make sure you go over and check her out, along with the playlist. Let's go see what other things she does on her channel. She does a lot of creative things on her channel. Go find out what she does. Watch a few of those videos and give her a little bit of love. She does shopping hauls. You know, at our favorite store, Dollar Tree, there's always something to buy and something interesting to do. And then, of course, she goes over to some more great places, Hobby Lobby. Oh yeah, I try to stay out of that store. I can spend $100 if I don't watch it. And she just has all kinds of great content on her channel. Look at everything she does. There's something almost every day to see, something new and different. And here she is, coloring and creating with Us You Rock Art. It's every Monday, don't forget. And please go check out her channel and see what creative things she put together along with doing some coloring. Oh my gosh, such a wonderful channel. Please go check her out. Don't forget to check out the playlist and give a little love and support. Let's go see what Grandma has done this week and what has she colored. Splash of color. I haven't colored in this book recently, and I thought I need to get in here and get some pages colored. So today we're coloring in this book. I really do enjoy it. It has a lot of great artwork, and I know you're going to enjoy it. Sit back with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and let's watch how Grandma colors these pages. Please don't forget to check out the playlist also. Well, here is what I colored number 1. I thought it turned out pretty good. I colored this basically with gel pens and with alcohol markers. I thought it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Those little eyes look so sad, but I thought it still turned out pretty good. Let me know what you thought. And it did have a little saying with it. It says, you know what I like most about people? Pets. And maybe that is true. Oh my gosh. Just look at those little sad eyes. Well, let me know what you thought about the artwork and the coloring. And please don't forget to check out the playlist. A lot of people joined in on this challenge. Well, this is our second page. I thought it turned out pretty good. The background was done with alcohol markers, and the kitty was colored with alcohol markers and gel pens. I thought it turned out pretty good. I liked all the patterns that it used in this page. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. And this one said, on your journey to nature, take your cat along and leave your car at home. Well, I know we've been having a little bit of trouble here with the weather being so bad. So we have left our car in the driveway a lot this last couple of weeks. And maybe we should start thinking of doing more of it in the future. I don't own a cat, so I can't do what the saying says. But I really should get another little dog. I'm getting lonely. But I love my pets. Well, let me know what you thought about the artwork on this. And this is a great, great book. Please go over and check out the playlist. And please leave a comment and let everyone know you were there. If you don't leave a comment, they don't even know if you were even there. Well, thank you all for all your love and support as always, stopping by and giving it every week. Glad you enjoyed the artwork today and the coloring that Grandma did. We're going to be coloring quite a bit more in this book in the future. I want to get as many books finished as I can. Because next year I'm going to try hard not to buy any books, and I'm going to try to put myself on a stricter budget. And to do that, I need to stop spending so much money. So we're going to try to do some flip-throughs, as many books as I can get finished and colored next year. So we have about 10 more months in this year. Let's see if I can get at least 6 coloring books completed. And then hopefully I can get 6 done next year, and I'll have my 12 books. We'll see if I can do it. This book I've already colored in, and it doesn't have a lot of pages. So I think I'm going to try to see if I can get this done in a couple more months. We'll see. I only do about 2 pages. Well, 4 pages totally in a week. 2 for each one of these challenges I do. So we'll see what I can get done and get accomplished. Thank you all for coming by. Hugs and kisses. And hugs to all my awesome friends. Thank you for all your support.